Crucial encounter for the Indian side, and DD India correspondent Narayan Singh is joining us right now to give us more inputs on what could go north and what could go south when it comes to Team India and when it comes to Team India's chancing in reaching the finals of the WTC. Hi Narayan, first of all wishing you a very happy Diwali. Everyone is celebrating Diwali today. This is the festival of lights and a triumph of light over darkness. As far as Team India is concerned, as far as their test performance is concerned, then we are seeing right now that they are not performing up to the mark. We saw them losing 2 test matches back to back, and that too on the Indian soil, which happened after long years. This is the 3rd match. If we see from the perspective of this particular series, then it's a dead rubber. But if we see from a broader perspective, Narayan, from the I beg your pardon, from the WTC's perspective, then it is big. Tell us, how will they reach WTC final from here? What do they have to do? And also tell us, from the 3rd test's perspective in Wankhede Stadium, the iconic Wankhede Stadium, what should it do? What changes should they make? Or what intent should they carry on the greens to defeat the Black Caps?
Happy Diwali, Siddharth. As you mentioned, that's the occasion of the Diwali, and definitely Team India will try to gift a win to the Indian fans all across the world. And we know that right now the situation is not so pleasant for the Indian team. They are staring down the barrel and looking into an unknown and unfamiliar territory, because India has never whitewashed in a 3-match test series. The last time they were whitewashed by South Africa, but it was a 2-match series in 2000. In that context, it is an important match for the Indian team. As you mentioned, that WTC is also there, and from here there are 6 matches for the India. The 3rd match between India and New Zealand at the Wankhede Stadium, and remaining 5 matches against Australia in the Border Gavaskar Trophy. So all in all, from here India at least needs to win 4 test matches. This one against New Zealand and 3 against the Australian side. And we know that defeating Australia in Australia, it's a Herculean task for any team in the world. But we know that this Indian team is very different. In the past also we saw that how they bounced back. They came out from the very tricky situation in the past 2 editions of the WTC World Test Championship. Again, they are also in a tricky situation, but we know that the Indian cricket culture has been changed a lot. This team has the capability to bounce back. As you mentioned, that the Wankhede Stadium, we know that initially there is a bit of a grass in the pitch, and for the initial couple of hours it's very difficult for any team to bat, because it assists the pace bowlers a lot. And we know that this pitch at the Wankhede is all in all a red soil, and that's why there is a bit of grass, and so that the pitch doesn't crumble easily. But as the days will progress, it will favor the spins. So as the reports are coming, we are hearing that it's will be a rank turner, but we have to very careful, because it's an important match for the Indian team, especially for the Rohit Sharma and the Virat Kohli. If you take a look their performance in the last 8 innings, there was only 1 half-century from both the veterans, and they need to play there and just we can say that just block the defensive cracks they got in their batting stay. We are hoping that they will do something different here, and India definitely will be we can say that favorite again to win the match. Already they lost the series.
Definitely, let's certainly hope that Team India bounce back this time around at Wankhede Stadium.